We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GBP, JPY. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action last candle to right hand side is a bearish red candle. We do have price action overall, lower lows. Price action overall, higher highs, midpoint. Also adding second level highs, second level lows, and also adding third level lows. Let's zoom in the price. So current price is sitting at a bearish red candle, long wick down to the bottom. So it lost a lot of momentum. So it could be reversing to work its way up, or it just identified as a retest to that second, definitely that third last candle to market, the last few after that. Price action currently sitting at 167.737. So if price work its way up, it can head to that midpoint nearing 178.208 before making it to 190.736. And if price decides to work its way down, price can tag the numbers of that midpoint nearing 143.613. Pull up just a little bit. 145.315 before making it to the numbers of 155.901, bottom of support. If it drops below 145, it can head down to the numbers nearing 134.350. So price action currently sitting at the midpoint of a level. So we have to see what's going on in that area. So it's sticking that line up currently. So let's read the market, see what's going on. So we do know the market came from multiple touches to that bottom. So we are identifying that we do have that first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest overall 3, retest 4. Made it to the midpoint area of that area. So we're looking for to see if it's going to break and retest. So 4 times is normally exhaustion. If it does push out further, it's coming from another pattern, which I think it will be coming from the W that we can clearly see here, which can push that market up further. If it does, it'll come from the first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushing twice, retesting to see if it's going to push up again. Price action also can be consolidating on that SR line, unless that market is identifying a reversal. So it could be identifying the break, could be the first leg, second, follow up with the bearish red candle, retest the top, market push down for that double top, unless the double top is right on side of price overall, first, second, third, market still creates that double top structure. Headed down to the weekly time frame, price action reading as a bullish green candle, press up to the top. So it lost a lot of momentum, so like it's retesting the top of that high. So we can see that it is sitting on a midpoint, so it's either going to break down further. If the market does come down from this area, it's coming down from that overall first, second, third, rejects double top formation. If it pushes up further, coming up from multiple pushes to that top, so we do have a break, a retest. So that's identified as a first, second, third, fourth retest, retesting the previous side, get the engulfment, and that's what's currently happened with the second last candle towards the third last candle, and market's trying to push and break out, but currently price has tagged that midpoint. So we have to see what's going to happen at that area. Is it rejection? Is it the push and breakout, or is it going to consolidate? Headed down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, if that market pushes up, we can see that triple bottom. If we add to the left side of that push, If not, we can just see the double bottom right below price, first, second, third, fourth, break, retest twice so far with the bearish price action, third to last candle. We're looking for that break out of that consolidation area, headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So we already know we're on the SR line, so we're going to take it a little bit above, a little bit below. So let's see what's happening in that market. So we do know that 4-hour time frame we did break. Market came back to retest, so we do have that overall first, second, third, looking for the engulfment to a last 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 candles in the market to see if that market's going to push up for that W to make it to the top of that zone, unless it identified the break of the bottom of the zone. You'll see that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed down from some type of double top in a retest, or maybe a head and shoulders pattern, overall triple top pattern is trying to happen if we receive that push. So for right now, price action, 3-hour time frame, reading as a bullish green small candle. So we have a price action midpoint. It's going to dissect the market. We have that high. We have second level highs. What's happening? Market tagged a high, broke the second level highs, came back to retest. It's going to push down further, or it's going to create that momentum from that break, the retest overall, and identify a double bottom and work its way back up through that second level highs. Headed down to the 2, same as well. Market just broke, came back to for a double retest. We're going to see if that market's going to break. So we can see that M forming first, second, third. Market's trying to draw itself down. Price action, bearish red candle, long wick down to the bottom. So it could be just stopping for that support for that market to push up. And if it does push up, we'll talk about that in the 1-hour time frame. If it does push up, market is drawing out a pattern and is drawing out that, if it's respected for that support for that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushes up, overall triple bottom, or identified as a head and shoulders pattern. That market doesn't break the previous price second and sum of third to last candle. Headed down to the 45, same as well. Price second all within each other, or within the third to last candle. So we're looking for the break to the top side or the downside of that third to last candle. Headed down to the 30, same as well. Third to last candle, looking for the breakout. So we can see we have an SR line at the high, the overall SR line that created that zone. So we do have a midpoint here. So let's see what's happening. Let's make it thicker. Market identifying double bottom, I see. First, second, third, fourth retest. It's going to push up. Headed down to the 15. Identifying as the break. Got the break, got the retest. And the market's pushing back up to that zone. So if the market's back breaking the SR line, we are looking for that break, the retest, see if that market's going to push up. And there's another pattern that's forming. We'll talk about that in a 5 minute. If it's breaking through, it's forming that overall first, second, third, fourth. That's the break, double bottom, retesting to push up further. Headed down to the 3 minute, same as well. We do have the break. Now we're still looking for the retest. Market is losing momentum with price and second last candle compared to a third last candle being a large candle on that 3 minute time frame. On a 1 minute time frame, we have price action is a active bearish red candle that just pushed down, so it's retesting. So to break down this area on this 1 minute, right below price, that's the midpoint line. This will be the high. This will be second level highs. So what's happening in the market? Market broke, retested second level highs, pushed up to the highest highs of that area, coming back to the midpoint. Is it to push up further, or it's going to break that second level highs to retest and work it to work it back to that midpoint, which just be an overall break and retest? And you still look for the engulfment to that upside to see if that market's going to push up. And when I say upside, I mean that candle, that the bearish red candle that tags that SR line. Okay guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, GBP, JPY.